work. So what you need to do is have a Google account first, obviously, and then go to google.com and go over here where these Google apps are, these little dots here. Click on that and scroll down to the bottom and say More from Google. And then go to Browse All Products. And then over here on the right, you'll see a thing called Sites. It's a little blue tab with the white boxes. Click on that. And then go to the template gallery right here and go all the way to the bottom where it says Education and choose Student Portfolio. Please don't pick another template because I'm going to show you how to do it on this one, and the other ones are set up different. So make sure you choose Student Portfolio. So click on that one. All right, and then it's going to give you this template here, which obviously we are going to change. So the first thing you're going to do up here is put your name. So I'm going to put my name here and right there. And then we are going to delete all these other things that are on here. We do not need any of them. So if you go to the side of any of the sections and just click the little trash can, it will delete it. You can leave that one if you want to say something in there, but basically you really don't need to have any of these sections on here. And then at the bottom, just put your email address. You can use your school email address. All right, and then obviously you are going to want to change this picture. So if you go over here, if you hover over the picture, it'll say change image. So you click on that. If you already have a picture uploaded to Google Drive, you can go there to select it, or you can go here and you can go to like pixabay.com, which is a good resource to use. Find a picture, download it to your computer or Google Drive, and then click upload, which that's what I've done. And then it'll put your picture in here. All right, now notice how when I hover over this, it lets me choose the header type. So if you want just the title only, you can do that. If you want a small banner, large banner is the default, or for the cover page, if you want to, you can have this fill up the whole page if you like. You don't have to. So however you want to do this, that is up to you. We're not going to have a lot of stuff down here, so go ahead and set that up however you want to. All right, so the next thing we need to do is create some pages in here. So if you go over to the right where you have all these different things, click on Pages, and this is our home page. What we want to do is delete some of the ones that they already have in there. So start at the bottom and go where these three dots are and click that and say delete. We don't need that. And then we are going to open this folder here and delete the art page. And then we're just going to change the math page to be an assignment page. So click on math and right click on there and let's name it assignment 1. Okay, and then go over here in the title, do the same thing, assignment 1. And for the header on this, let's go with no header, just the title only. You're going to have pictures of your assignment on here, and it'll just look really cluttered if you have a header. So make sure you go header type, title only. And then over here, once again, we can delete all of these things that come on here. Now notice when you delete it, there's also these lines. You can get rid of those lines too. And then you just have this spot here, and on this, if you did delete that by accident and have nothing, that's fine. Go back to insert and get a text box. And what you want to type in here is final project. And we're going to highlight that and change it to a title so that it's big. All right, and then let's do that again. We want to have 3 of these headers. So once again, you can go to text box and go through that same process again, text box, and this time we're going to put photos used and change that to a title. You can also go over here to the right and just say duplicate section and change it. And this one is going to say screenshots. I will explain later what all these are going to be, but that is what your assignment page will look like. And you'll end up putting a picture of your final project, the photos that you used, and some screenshots of your progress down there. All right, so that's what assignment 1 looks like. Let's go back to pages. And then this page here, let's change this to say assignments. This is just like the intro page to your assignments. And again, delete everything on here. We don't need any of this stuff. Delete, delete, delete. And let's go back and change the image. You can put the same picture or a different one if you want to. And we'll just call this assignments. Oops. All right. And let's go to assignment 1 page. And what we're going to do is go ahead and duplicate a few of those pages so that we're ready to paste them in when we get to the other assignments. So if you go over here and click, you can just say duplicate page, and you can rename it assignment 2 and say done. And then just go up there and change the header to assignment 2. And let's just do one more for this time, for right now. Duplicate page again. We'll call this assignment 3. Delete that, say OK, go to assignment 3 page and change that to 3. So do it for 3 times for this first go around, and that way you can have several different pages. All right, so we're ready to publish this page. Let me show you how to do that. So you're going to go up there to the blue button on the top right and click Publish. We want the web address to be your name dash 23. 23 is for the school year. Please don't name your site anything else. I need to know exactly what your website is called. So I'm going to say Julie Oaks dash 23. All right, I already used that one because I made this assignment, but that's what I want you to name your site. I'm going to just put a dash in between my name since I already made that one. All right, so Julie dash Oaks dash 23. You can do it that way you want. If you want, long as you're using your name, dash 23 for the school year. All right, and then say publish. All right, and then you can go up to this little publish options button right there, and you can say view published site. So let's check out what we have. So we can go to the home page. Here's our big title screen, and you can go to assignments and then click on each assignment, and that way I'll be able to grade your work because you'll be posting all of it as such on these pages. All right, in the next video I'm going to show you how to actually post your projects in here, but for now this is your first assignment, is to make a website. So you'll need to make a home page and 3 blank assignment pages, and copy your link. So this is your link right here, sites.google.com/view your name -23 home. Copy that, put that in Canvas, and you'll get your grade for your first assignment.